Hello everyone, we are here at Eden Nature Park and Resort, Davao City. These are the things that you need to consider before going this place. Eden Nature Park is a place that you don't want to miss here in Davao City. So please try to visit if you love nature. This is the Butterfly Sanctuary at Eden Nature Park and Resort. Here we are at sky cycling at Eden Nature Park in Davao City with my brother, and he's afraid. Me too, a little bit. Avoid looking down. It's really fun, guys! This time I'm gonna try sky swing and I'm gonna do it alone. Hello guys, it's a little bit frightening, but I'm gonna try this one. That's Davao City there.